We've been in business since 1942. We're a private company. We're family owned. We're a fourth generation. We pride ourselves on the family company. We try to treat our employees good. We innovate. We have spent very heavily in capital on automation, new equipment. Our motto always has been that we have to be better than the OEMs or the customer at making what we are making or selling. Steel Warehouse has been a vendor of ours for over 20 plus years.
I remember, Steel Warehouse from when I was still in high school. I've known the family for a long time, and the one thing that I think is pretty special about Steel Warehouse is I always thought they did business the right way, and they do business how we do business. When Steel Warehouse says they're going to do something, they do it and they hold to that deal. And I find that very special, and that's something that sometimes is gone today in business. It becomes very about the dollar and not about the relationship, and it's always been about the relationship with Steel Warehouse. With Steel Warehouse, we still do today. We buy hot roll material. Steel Warehouse has a very, very good hot roll product, but we're moving some of our automated lasers to more and more pickled because the material is just super clean. We don't have problems downstream. We do a lot of robotic bending here, so the cleaner the material, the better we have downstream processes with bending and welding. So here at Hickey Metal Fabrication, we have 16 robotic weld cells, so even on some of the welding, we're getting better welding from the pickled materials. Because Steel Warehouse can pickle not only coil product, but also if we need a couple plates, they can also provide that in their sheet picklers. Having those tools and being able to purchase that with Steel Warehouse has been critical to our business.
So with using the pickled plate in our weldments, we have seen that the welder fitter doesn't have to do surface prep on the material. When you have plate that has a heavy scale on it and you're trying to put a nice weld on it, that scale can pop off and create an inclusion in your weld, which in turn creates a bad weld. So we were having to do a lot of prep before that. They would either have to grind the scale off of parts or descale them with a descaler. Now with having pickled plate, that eliminates a whole nother step in the operation that our fitters and welders don't have to do. Makes us more efficient at the end of the day. And with robot welding, a lot of these things, you don't have to have that cleanup step of pre-cleaning all your parts before you put them in the robot. So now I'm getting more efficient. I can get more parts out to the customer and eliminating that and give them a higher quality part because we're not worried about having an inclusion in the weld because the plate's already perfectly clean.
So some of the cost savings with the pickled material is you're reducing your labor downstream. So yeah, you're paying a little bit more for the pickled material, but you don't have a grinding operation or a machining operation, or you're reducing your number of hours in cleaning and paint prep.
Yeah, Steel Warehouse through the years, they've been great to work with. They have an in-house metallurgist that he has helped on many occasions to kind of introduce some new materials, the specs, kind of some of what the material can do. And also, a lot of times we've spent a good deal of time looking for possible alternatives to what the customer maybe has specified on the drawing. And working with their metallurgy department, we've been able to identify critical criteria and present a suitable material to our customers.
So over the years of the relationship with Steel Warehouse, one of the things that we've done as partners is for Steel Warehouse to grow their business with us, they've helped us grow our business. So Steel Warehouse will bring some of their customers to the table, some of their OEM customers that are looking for additional fabrication capacity and new vendors, and Steel Warehouse will always bring us to the table and recommend us and put us in front of the right people, and that has helped us grow our business over the years and helped us grow the partnership with Steel Warehouse.